to the market makers, and the biotech index called the NYSE. It's a biotech index. It really got crushed when we started off, and we hit this white line. That's a 50-month moving average that's rising. The blue line is a 10-month moving average that is going to be the support level, and then we're going to take a look at the resistance level. Now, that's the monthly charts. Let's also take a look at some of the individuals that's in there on a monthly level. BIIB had a super gap, and it's hitting the 20-month moving averages, and this is setting up. Another one that we like, that you like also, is this ALNY. It came down here. It undercut that 50-month moving average. It's hitting that resistance level, but definitely has a turn and a rising 50-month moving average behind it. That means that this one is on our daily list every day. So let's just take a look at some of the other winners we have on a monthly level. We have Amgen, been trading it since the 90s, had a great breakout. And, you know, it took a while, but it's up here at the tops on Amgen. And let's go ahead and take a look at some other ones. Here we go. This is called Seattle Genetics, and here we are at the top. And yes, the options are paying big time. That's what we do here. And you can clearly see that all the monthly moving averages, the white line and the rest of the monthly moving averages, are setting up for a breakout. That means that these pullbacks that come down on these monthly charts, you know, we will be buying the options on these things. We do. It's one of the biggest things that we trade here. Let's take a look at ICPT again on a monthly level. This was such a super flyer, but it still is on the monthly level, and the options really paid big on that one. Let's take a look at REGN in the same sector on a monthly chart, and remember that it has a 10-month crossover the red line, a 20-month. So there's going to be a lot of back-end filling, and there's going to be a price volatility. You can see how this REGN, I mean, hey, when we start buying that 50-month moving average that's ascending in value, is that the pullbacks here are going to continue to have super gains in the call side, and also the put options that we can see. And here's another one, ILMN. Here, let me go to Trend Tool. Let me go to Trend Tool, and I'm going to clear these trend lines, and I'm going to talk about ILMN. When it was issued in the S&P, it's come down here. Every time it hits that 50-month moving average, we get a nice breakout. So the blue line is a 10-month. That's the 20-month, the red line. And this is that rising time where we use our turbo options, and we get the best options. It doesn't matter what side of the market it is in, the call side, the put side, who cares, other than it pays. So basically, by showing another bellwether here that is finally setting up, and we'll see. But this particular one, BMRN, also has that rolling 50-month support level, and that's what makes the option trading so awesome. I mean, look at here. This thing got killed, and this is the 360, but you could never close below it. That white line is a 50-month, that red line up there is a 20-month. That means the calls and the puts pay big time. When I say big time, I mean big time. Yes, I do. Let's take a look at another one that we like. And we'll see what it's finally doing or not, and that's going to be UT right here. UT, United Therapeutics. Also, once again, you guys and all of our worldwide traders, I mean, these 50-month moving averages are support. So every time we hit that dip, we buy that call side. So we're going to be heading up above that 10-month moving average. That red line up there is 140, and that's our 20-month. Moving average resistance at 141.3, and that 10-month is 124.22, and we're above that. So listen, this is where we trade these calls, and this is how we can say that in certain selected biotech stocks are of choice within big investors right now, and traders alike. So one of the bigger ones that we like also had a big problem, and certain ones have hit their price level, and there's going to be a lot of reform. And I showed the REGN. There it is, man. Yeah, they're all at the 50-month moving averages on the high tech, biotech. You heard what I said. I said VRTX. How do you like this one? This thing here, we've traded it for a number of years. And when we get a chance to really get in here on these monthly charts, and here, I'll go to trend tool and I'll tell you what I will do. Trend tool, and I'm going to clear all. And once again, this one got below the 50 months, and we're showing the 50-month average is rising. That blue line is the 10-month, the 40-month moving average, and up here at that 110 area is what we refer to as the 20-month moving average on the super biotech. How to trade calls and puts, get involved, trade the winners. Let's get going now on the free 5-day trial. The free 5-day trial. Sign up.